Hello guys, welcome to Forex Trading Strategies. In this video I'm going to show you guys simple setups, okay, that just only require 3 indicators and you are going to make a killing in the market. Just 3 indicators. Okay, one thing you must understand when it comes to trading the forex or synthetic indices like boom and crash is do not overcomplicate the screen with a whole lot of indicators. Okay, that alone is a good setup to make you lose your trade. Okay, just choose some basic indicators that you understand very well. Okay, that is why I'm sampling all of these indicators and giving you guys the setup, so you have to stick to one that works well for you and you can make a killing. Before that, I have an exclusive offer for you guys. Okay, you should be happy about it. So I have a Telegram channel right there, Telegram channel, where I discuss the market sentiment and most importantly I drop updates for you guys. How do I mean by update? When I wake up in the morning, I go into the market and I do market analysis. When I'm done with the analysis is going to last for the whole day. Okay, I'm going to explain how the market is playing out and what potential setups or trading opportunity you can see in the market, and that way you can go ahead and make some killing. So I did that in this morning as well. Okay, this is my Telegram channel right here, FTS Trading. The link is going to be in the description below so you can join. So let's quickly look at what I did this morning. Okay, I dropped the video this morning around 7:37 Nigerian time, 7:37. Okay, and I left. Okay, I went from gym. So when I go back, the trade has entered successfully. Okay, and I made about $11 from that trade. Okay, because I took the trade live. Now if you haven't watched that video, watch it. The link is going to be in the description of this video so you can see how I analyzed the market and I took the trade live. Okay, you can see the trade right here. Okay, the trade right here, 11.24 from a real account. Let me go to my MetaTrader 5 and you see that it's a real account and a real trade. Okay, you can see this is the trade right here, $11.24. Okay, that is the trade and this is a live account. Before we used to bring it out somehow, but I don't know how they do it now to show it is live account. Let me go here. Okay, you can see this is it right here and it say Deriv Limited. Okay, you can see it's a live broker, not all this demo. Okay, so that's been said, that is the offer for you guys. Grab it, click on the Telegram channel and join. If you do not have a boom and crash account, the link to create your account is in the description below as well. Okay, so that being said, here we are and let's get to the analysis. Now I don't know the color of your own setup, but basically it's just the same thing, just play around with the color. So this is mine, and for my bullish candle I have them to be green. Okay, any bullish candle is green. For example, let me zoom in a bit so that we can understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, my bullish candles are green. Take a look at this, it is green. Take a look at this, it is green. And my bearish candle are red. Look at this one, is red. This is also red. Okay, so that's basically how I did my own setup. Now we need to add the 3 indicators to this chart. The first one is the alligator. So what you need to do is click on this F button right here. Okay, click on it and you can add indicators easily. Click on that F and you look for alligators. Okay, you scroll down the list and we should see alligator is under B. Williams. Okay, these are the indicators under B. Williams. We have oscillator, alligator. Okay, we are only concerned with alligator in this one, so just click on the alligators. So if you click on it, it has its own default settings. Okay, default parameters. So we are going to add our own to it. Okay, so for this just period, look at here, number 1 here, just period. We have just shifts, teeth period, teeth shifts. Okay, we have lips period, lip shift, and all of that. So and method. So I'm going to go ahead and fill into it. So get a paper and write it down right away. Get a paper and write it down. So this first one is going to the just period is going to be 3. Okay, just 3. Also the just shift is going to be 3. Okay, 3. Then the teeth period is going to be 8. The teeth shift also is going to be 8. Okay, it's going to be 8. So I'll click on this 5, wipe it away and add 8. Then the next one is going to be 12, which is lips period. It's going to be 12 and lip shift is going to be 12. okay, it's going to be 12. Then the method is smoothed, okay, the method is smoothed. That's all about it, smoothed. So we click on done. Okay, now you can decide to add a color to it. Okay, you can decide to add your own color to it. So let's click on done and let's see how our chart looks like. Okay, this is how our chart looks like, but this one that is blue, okay, we are going to turn it to red. Okay, let's change one color there so that it's not overcomplicate our chart. Okay, let's go to the alligators and we are going to take one out of it. Okay, this one that is blue right here, we are going to take it out of the whole thing. Okay, so we'll give it black so that it won't show. Let's give it black. Okay, so now we only have 2 right here. Okay, we only have 2. That is very, very good. Now let's move on to the second indicator, which is our RSI. Okay, relative strength index. Relative strength index. I think that one should be under is it volumes, Williams relative strength index. Okay, it's under here. Okay, under oscillators, relative strength index. So that one we're going to add the values to it. Okay, the period is 10. The period for that is 10. We have the period to be 10. We have the levels. Okay, we need to apply the levels. Okay, so go on to these levels, and the levels we only have 5: 90, 10, 80, 20, 50. Okay, so I have some levels here. I can just try to delete all. Okay, mark up there and delete there, just add levels. Plus, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the first one is 90. The second one is 10. The third one is 80. Then we have 20 and 50. 20 and we have 50. Okay, so that is basically that on this. So we are going to add a color that we can see very well. Okay, and this white is okay. We can just increase the pixels to 3 and then we are done with that. Okay, we are done with the RSI. Done. So right here you can see our RSI. Okay, see our RSI right here. Okay, and the levels. These are the levels right here. These are the levels right here. Okay, so we are going to the third one. Okay, we need to add the third one. Very, very important. The third indicator we are going to add is the MACD. Okay, MACD, MACD. Okay, moving average, convergence, divergence. So let's go to our F button right here and we click on it's going to be in the indicator window 1. Okay, it's going to be here. So we click on F plus, then we look for MACD. Okay, in the indicator list. This is our MACD right here. Okay, MACD. So we look for MACD, we click on it, and we are going to give it its own parameters as well. Okay, so the fast EMA is 12. Okay, the slow EMA is 26. The MACD SMA. The MACD SMA is going to be 1. Okay, add 1. Just write 1 there. Okay, then it is applied to close. Then we can give it a color of our choice. Okay, we can give it a color of our choice. The main is white, so the main, let's give the main another color. Probably let's say it's yellow, and the signal, let's say it's green. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I think that is fine. That's fine by me. That's fine by me. So just play with any color of your choice. Okay, so you can reduce the time frame to about, let's say, 5 minutes, and let's see how the market has been doing. Okay, this is Boom 300. Mind you, you can use this for any market. Okay, you can use this for any market at all. Okay, basically you can use this for any market at all. So let's see how we can trade with these boys right here, the whole setup. First thing you need to understand is, if you are trading the boom, then you trade the downtrend. Okay, you trade the downtrend alone. So for example, how do you know that there's going to be a downtrend? Now these 2 lines right here, okay, must approach this 80 and 90. Okay, this 80 and 90 mean the overbought region, where the market is overbought. Then if the market is overbought, then you need to enter for a sell. Okay, so you can see that from there it sold all the way down, had a retracement here, sold before it went back up. Okay, so this method is just going to teach you to just enter the market for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes maximum. Okay, do not be greedy. The market is open 247, okay, so do not be greedy. So what else do we check, okay, to know if the market is going to work out? What else do we check? Okay, so probably I'm going to take this green away. Sorry, I'm going to take this green away. So this black, I'll turn it to green, and this green, I'll turn it to black. Okay, there is a reason for that. There's a reason for that, a very good reason. So we'll go to our MACD, and we'll go to, okay, sorry, not here, relative strength index. Okay, it's not on our MACD. You can see that it's on the main chart. Okay, so we go to that of the alligators. Okay, we go to alligator. This one that is black, we change it to green, and this one that is green, we change it to black. Okay, we change it to black. Kindly note that it's quite important. Okay, so that you can see that we have a good setup here. We have a good setup for good confirmation. So if you want to enter the trade for sell, look at this level right here. Okay, this level right here, when the indicator starts coming down, okay, start coming down right here, and this market is overbought already, so we are waiting for a sell. So once it start giving you a signal for sell, okay, you wait for the first candle. Okay, wait for the first candle to complete, then you enter on the second candle. Okay, enter the second candle. This is 5 minutes time frame. You can see that we're able to take the whole second candle. Okay, the whole second candle before this green line meets the red line. Okay, once the green line meets the red line, our advice is stay away from the market. Okay, and that's about 3 candles right there, but you are only advised to take one. Let's see other opportunities. Okay, at this point right here, the market was overbought as well. Okay, you can see that the MACD also approaches the level of 80 and 90, which shows that the market is overbought. Now we are going in for a sell. So the first candle of the sell, okay, this is it right here. The second candle was a small bullish candle. Then the third candle, okay, we are in for this. That is about 5 minutes ride. Okay, 5 minutes ride. So if you are there for a considerable number of time, or if you are using a considerable lot size, okay, let's say 0.3 or so, you are going to make some money from that market. Okay, so you can just go around and check, okay, check some opportunity when the market is overbought right here. Okay, overbought right here, and then it start coming down, okay, with the candles gradually, so you can take one candles away from it. So this is a very effective method. Do not forget to join the Telegram group, and also do not forget to join every morning to watch the market analysis. Thank you guys, and bye for now.